Hi guys! Today is Friday, and what could be more perfect on a summer Friday than a delicious cocktail recipe. Today I want to share with you a really summery strawberry gin cocktail recipe, which you can make with alcohol like I'm doing in the recipe, or you can also make it without it and it's gonna be a delicious mocktail. So let's get started. So this is a really simple recipe. What I've done, I have the strawberries here. I've just cut them, quartered them, and I'm gonna add some to the bottom of my glass. So you can decide how much you want to add. I'm gonna add in about 1/3 of my glass. And then I have a spoon, a wooden spoon, with which I'm just gonna mash the strawberries, but just a little, so not too much. Then I'm gonna use half of a lime for each cocktail, and if you don't like it that sour, you can just use a little less. So juicing half of a lime into the glass. And then going to add some fresh mint. So here again, depending on how you like it, just adjust. And then I'm gonna fill the glass with crushed ice. Like almost to the end, or almost to the top. So I'm gonna leave a little bit. And then we just want to mix everything shortly. And then I'm adding a shot of gin to each of my cocktails, but you could also leave it out and make it a mocktail. And then you just want to fill the rest of your glass with some tonic or some other lemonade of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm gonna make more of these kind of really simple recipes during the summer, as I've been sharing last week's as well. So drink recipes, popsicle recipes, salad recipes, really light recipes, because that's something I love eating during summer. So get ready for those kind of videos, and I really hope you're gonna enjoy that kind of content. Also, if you have any suggestions for summer recipes, for something that you would really like to see, then let me know down below in the comments and I will keep that in mind. If you like this video and if you like this cocktail, then don't forget that thumbs up for support. And if you're new to my channel and don't want to miss those recipes, then you can subscribe right now and tap the bell so you won't miss those videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.